Let's learn how you can convert image to PDF file on iPhone. So I will show you this tutorial on iOS 17, but I think you can do it with any iOS possible. So without any delay, let us start by opening our Photos gallery. So you will have to choose an image or photo you want to convert to PDF. I selected this one, and now what you have to do is to click on this share icon in bottom left corner. It will open sharing menu. You will have to scroll down until you find this print option. Click on it, and this page will appear. You don't want to print it, but to click on share icon again near this print text. Now what you want to do is to click this save to files option, and it will select an image and ask you where you want to place it. So you can go to browse and take a location and choose where you want to save this file. I will save it on my iPhone, and it will be saved. Now to find it, you will just have to go to your files application, find location where you saved, and you see that image will be there saved as PDF.